EOS and YFI lead altcoins higher as Bitcoin and Ether bounce from swing lows. The markets were mixed on May 11 as Bitcoin, BTC, recovered from Monday's drop to $53,000 by bouncing to $56,862, but the digital asset is still finding resistance at the $57,000 level. Ether, ETH, also worked its way back above $4,100, but according to Cointelegraph analyst Marcel Beckman, the bullish sentiment for Ether seen in recent weeks has begun to fade as traders question whether new all-time highs will be sustainable in the short term. Data from Cointelegraph Markets and Trading View shows that Bitcoin bulls defended a late-night sell-off on May 10 that briefly dropped the price of BTC below $54,000 before dip buyers gobbled up sell orders and lifted the price back above $56,000. Blue chip. While the blue chip cryptocurrencies have been stuck in a sideways market, canine-themed meme coins including Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Dogelon Mars, ELON, have followed Dogecoin's, DOGE, lead and seen their prices explode for triple-digit gains. Bitcoin's range-bound trading between $50,000 and $60,000 in recent weeks can partially be attributed to the rising price of Ether, which has caught the attention of institutional investors looking for exposure to more than just BTC. The growing demand for Ether can clearly be seen in the price action of the ETH/BTC pair. According to David Leifchitz, Managing Partner and Chief Investment Officer at Exo Alpha, Ether's recent all-time high was in part due to a continued rotation away from Bitcoin, which helped push the price of Ether as high as $4,214 before suddenly puking down to $3,658, minus 13% in an hour backslash. The downturn in the crypto market coincided with a sell-off in the U.S. equity markets that hit the tech-heavy Nasdaq index especially hard. Leifchitz noted that Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies were eventually able to bounce back half of the loss from the high. While the sell-off could be explained by some correlation trades leading to a quick profit-taking in cryptos, Leifchitz also pointed to the possibility of a more organized sell-off where some traders took advantage of frothy market conditions. 24 hours later, Bitcoin is back in the middle of its twilight zone, $50,000 to $60,000, and Ether is slowly grinding higher above $4,000. Further insight into the market moves over the past week was offered by Ben Lilly, co-founder and analyst at Jarvis Labs, who highlighted an increase in on-chain profit-taking over the last week that had lots of capital turning over throughout altcoins. As capital made its way from coin to coin, profits were being realized as Bitcoin traded sideways. Altcoins lead the market higher. The overall altcoin market shook off the bearish moves seen in the larger cap cryptocurrencies. One announced that it had secured $10 billion in funding to launch a EOS-based cryptocurrency exchange named Bullish Global Finance, YFI, managed to break out of the trading range it had been stuck in to put on a 58% rally to a new record high above $80,000, while the price of REVAN, REV, exploded 130% to reach a multi-year high at $0.049. The overall cryptocurrency market cap now stands at $2.474 trillion.